You've got to keep time to piss off the neighbors.
Check. 1, 2, check.
You did good.
That's an understatement.
You made a kid with tonsillitis happy. It's not like you saved the world or anything.
Yeah, I did tonsillitis. I thought he had cancer. Well done, little man. Well done.
We need a little more time to set up. Keep those OD out of the base, and we'll get started as soon as we can. Hey, one thing? Don't let the OD near the fuse boxes. They're really delicate.
Keep him away from the fuse boxes. Got it.
Fuse box under attack.
If this concert doesn't start soon, we're out of here.
No! Patience. Wendy's working on it. Right, Wendy? Don't leave yet. We're almost ready.
We're gonna lose the fuse box. Just lost the fuse box. Protect the other one.
We're almost ready. Just a little longer.
No more ammo.
Death by sound check.
Hello, Sunset City!
Yeah, woohoo! Awesome, yeah! Yippee, yeah! Yeah! This is so cool! If the OD attack those fuse boxes, it's going to ruin the concert. Don't make my kids sad, or I'll make you dead.
Second fuse box. Now. Come on, man. We can't let these kids down.
thought you were gonna get killed quickly. Then I thought I was gonna kill you. But now I look forward to our time together. Until you're killed.
That's the nicest thing you've ever said to me.
This is the nicest thing. I'll show you how to get into Fisco HQ. But sneaking you in is as far as I'm willing to go. If we get killed with you, then the kids are as good as dead.
Okay, I think I have a plan. Sam, where are you?
I'm almost at the overpass.
Good, let's meet there. Call the others. Time to go all in. I know you're all wondering why I called you here tonight. Take a look around. All of this will be yours someday. Or we'll be dead.
I found a hidden code buried in a Fisco data drive. I've only decoded a small piece, but it is a massive bit of work. They are planning something huge, and to find out what, I need access to the server room in their headquarters.
But that's in their headquarters.
That will be a monumental task.
Well, what's our plan?
It's frustrating. With all the automation and whatnot, there ain't nobody to shoot.
If I may address the court, you said you needed everyone, yet we are not all here. I see the painted tarts are not here. Oh!
I'm here, but you're not the DM of mi Flandaz. I was listening. And I'm not letting you attack Fisco HQ without Las Catrinas.
Together we'll take Fisco down. Or we won't, but we'll get some wicked respawn animations. Who's with me?
For Vargarthia!
For the Oxfords.
For Troop Bushido!
Para los niños.
For the footage.
For each other.
We knights of Fargarthia are hale and hearty and eager.
Rebellion! Anarchy! Kill some robots! Sam, where are you?
I don't know.
Where's Esperanza?
I'm here.
Wow, you totally killed that guy. You're like a sexy Mexican ninja.
Puerto Rican.
Safe, Esperanza.
And you keep distracting those Fisco forces. We're heading into the sewer pipes now.
Sewer pipes?
Keep moving, cabron.
Robot deactivate! Circuit closed. Gotta find an ammo grenade! Ow! Fisco! And for ammo! Ammunition.
More overcharge dash.
Rebellion! Anarchy! Kill some robots!
Sam, where are you?
I don't know.
Where's Esperanza?
I'm here.
Wow, you totally killed that guy. You're like a sexy Mexican ninja.
Puerto Rican.
Keep safe, Esperanza.
And you keep distracting those fiscal forces. We're heading into the sewer pipes now.
Sewer pipes?
Keep moving, cabron.
We'll stay here so you can help me out.
We're through the sewers and into the sub-basement.
Those were like the cleanest sewers ever. Not that I'm a sewer expert, but I expected a lot more solid waste. I didn't see a single chunk of...
Cabron, shut your hole before I shut it for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Have no fear. Troopmaster Pilgrim is here.
At your command. Brill cream!
Nice dance!
More ammo!
Summoned for war.
Come on!
Our gods will henceforth defend. Ye may move forth to other battles, my paladin.
We're inside the building.
The server room should be on the main floor somewhere.
Find it fast. It's getting a little hairy out here. Cats and dogs living together and whatnot.
Once I find it, I'll need a few minutes to get through the security systems and access their network.
Just work fast, Sam.
Keep up the fight! Las Catrinas have your back! Kick ass, muchachas! We're inside the building.
The server room should be on the main floor somewhere.
Find it fast. Things are getting a little hairy out here. Cats and dogs living together and whatnot.
Once I find it, I'll need a few minutes to get through the security systems and access their network.
Just work fast, Sam.
Keep up the fight! Las Catrinas have your back! Kick ass, muchachas!
Blades of Bargarnia are at your
Thanks for the help.
What's Sam doing?
He's standing in front of a bunch of computers, staring at them. I think he might be having a stroke or something.
Focus, Sam.
Okay. Give me a few minutes.
We're inside the building.
The server room should be on the main floor somewhere.
Find it fast. Things are getting a little hairy out here. Cats and dogs living together and whatnot.
Once I find it, I'll need a few minutes to get through the security systems and access their network.
Just work fast, Sam.
Keep up the fight! Las Catrinas have your back! Kick ass, muchachas!
Fizz code. We'll be ready to help.
I hate these chicks.
We're inside the building.
The server room should be on the main floor somewhere.
Find it fast. It's getting a little hairy out here. That's dogs living together and whatnot.
Once I find it, I'll need a few minutes to get through the security systems and access their network.
Just work fast, Sam.
Keep up the fight! Las Catrinas have your back! Kick ass, muchachas!
Sheet is ready for anything. I bet Fizz is ready for us.
Let's go, robot.
Thanks, man. We got this. What's Sam doing?
He's standing in front of a bunch of computers, staring at them. I think he might be having a stroke or something.
Focus, Sam.
Okay. Give me a few minutes. Oh, where the hell is the start menu?
Dios mío!
Look at the size of those things!
Okay, here's the deal. There's a weapon somewhere inside the building that's going to activate in a few minutes.
What kind of weapon? Like a bomb?
I don't know. All I know is that it's inside the building somewhere and it's going to destroy the whole city.
Where inside the building?
I'm getting conflicting...
Like a bomb?
I don't know. All I know is that it's inside the building somewhere and it's going to destroy the whole city.
Where inside the building?
I'm getting conflicting information. Oh, it's too much pressure. Oh, I get diarrhea when I'm nervous, you know?
Okay, new plan. What if we just destroy the whole building?
That could work. But how would you destroy a building?
I don't know. I'll improvise.
Wait, I have an idea. There is a huge bottle of overcharge on top of a building close by. See it?
Yeah?
Get up to that bottle and hurry. We set up a harpoon for you. It should help you get to the bottle faster.
Don't worry. We'll take care of any additional forces.
We believe in you!
This is Sunset Overdrive, not ET. Give me some space. Good work.
You need to get to that bottle. Hurry, we don't have much time. That bottle is actually filled with overcharge. So when you get there, just hit it a few times to build up the pressure inside.
And then what?
It might fly straight into the building.
Might? Great plan, Sam.
You're at the bottle? Good. Now, hit it.
I'm attacking a huge bottle. Hey, this is hero's work right here. How many times I gotta hit this thing?
That should be enough. Now, when it launches, it might be unstable.
Unstable? Well, that makes two of us. Giddy up, little doggy.
I just lost the best friend I've ever had.
We all lost a friend.
And the world lost a hero.
A hero that will live on in this city and in our hearts forever.
Wait a minute. That's the ending? Are you serious? Whose idea was that? Yours? Or yours? Oh, bad move, guys. NeoGaf is gonna eat you alive. You know what? I deserve a better ending. I got an idea. Okay, rewind!
I just lost the best friend I've ever had.
Hey, everybody. Who wants to get drunk on milk and crackers? Alright, so be honest. That whole riding the bottle into the building thing, did it look as cool as it felt? Wait, don't tell me. Giant city-destroying robot?
destruction of Sunset City. Your checks are in the mail.
It's throwing boats!
That's why I couldn't find the weapon inside the building. The building was the weapon!
So I have to fight a building?
There's a device near the top of the building, a power core of sorts.
A power core. There's always a power core.
It's Doomsday.
Gotta keep moving. Don't want to get fried.
Right into arms! They lead straight to the top!
Tentacles. Why did it have to be tentacles?
You have to get up to the top, to its core!
Grind on its arms. Bet I can grind on those tentacles. Not that kind of... Bet I can grind on those tentacles. Not that kind of grind, people. Heads out of the gutter.
Falcon's core is in its head! Get to the top! Hurry!
I am become busy. That's why are you climbing up to the top? You actually think there's some kind of... Why are you climbing up to the top? You actually think there's some kind of power core or something up there? No way! We learned that lesson once already! Sunset City? What? I have a power core? Why did I not know this? Everybody knows the only reason you have a power core is so someone can destroy the power core!
Get to the robot! Hurry! It's killing people! Above you! Watch out for the beams of death!
Beams of death?
That blip was...
Fine work so far. If you're looking for another way up, try some nearby rooftops.
Hey! Fuck you! Yeah, that's my message to you. Fuck you and kiss my ass!
Use the rooftops to get up to the top of the robot. Hurry!
Robot that's like setting fire to the city and all that. Is that real? Because I had a
lot of nightmares about giant robots when I was in first grade, and I don't know if I'm like regressing to some shit, you know, stress-induced hallucinations maybe, but it's freaking me out, man.
It's real, Floyd, and if you stop talking, I'll...
It's real? Well, then quit talking and kill the shit out of it, jeez. This ain't social hour, you know. We used to have social hour when I was in third grade. Mrs. Tower, yeah, we just sit around and we talk shit.
Hanging up now.
Stop! There are no other plot twists after this. You don't want the story to end, do you? I will, asshole. If you strike me down, I will become more powerful than... I'm gonna say this one last time. Fuck you!
Oh, Sam, are you there?
Türküm, are you okay?
Yeah. I just wanted to say, in case we all die, you've been a really good friend.
Just a friend?
Maybe more. But let's talk about that if we survive.
Okay. And, same to you, Türküm. It's nice to know there's people like you in this world.
Aw, that's really sweet.
You two shut... Hey! Looks like you can use the elevated train tracks to get up higher.
Do yourself a favor and die.
Use the train tracks to get to the top of the robot.
Nothing can stop me, especially... I don't want to get your hopes up, so I won't. Get off me, asshole! Resistance is futile, so just take it!
Hey! Looks like you can use the elevated train tracks to get up higher.
Stop! There are no other plot twists after this! You don't want the story. Get off me, asshole! If you strike me down, I will become more powerful than you can possibly imagine. So leave me alone! Do yourself a favor and die!
Look out!
I don't want to get your hopes up, so I won't. I'm gonna kill you!
Now that is how you end a game.